Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off autoplay next episode. First let me open this Netflix TV app, and here I am going to turn off autoplay next episode. But in Netflix TV app you could not find an option to turn off autoplay next episode, but there is a way. First you have to install Netflix app in your mobile phone. Let me open Netflix app, then you have to log in into same account, then set your profile. Tap on this My Netflix icon over here. Tap on three lines on top right corner. Go to Manage Profiles. Tap here. Again, set your profile. Go down. Here you can see Autoplay Next Episode. Here we can turn on or off Autoplay Next Episode. At profile level, we can control that. So when you turn off Autoplay Next Episode here, that change will reflect in your TV app also. So you have to use the same profile. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.